Okay, we've got one robot arm today, and it's wired up to 1, 2, 3 Arduinos, obviously, and there's one remote control sensor linked up to all three of them, and one normal household remote. Show you how easy it is to use. So I'm going to go stop, down, and then we're going to go. Now there's a bit of a noise in this one, so I'm going to be quite quick. Stop that one. Do it again, down, and stop that one. And go this way. Stop that one, and then info, guide, and stop. I quite like this robot arm. One problem is slightly this one here. Can be a bit noisy, but generally it's quite a nice, versatile robot arm. It does teach the basics of robot arms. Thank you for watching.